Alright, everybody, back here with a product I've been waiting to break for quite a while. This is 2012 Topps Prime, and it's set up like the other years of Topps Prime. You get 10 packs and 4 hits, I think 2 relics, and 2 autographs, so we'll see. We had a lot of luck with the Panini Gridiron Football. I was getting like 9 or 10 hits a box. It was pretty ridiculous, but this looks like a cool product, and I'm just going to try to get it to focus on the numbering. 25. That's just in case I'm shorted a hit, I can just send this video directly to Topps. It'll be a lot easier. They'll take care of me. They should, at least. So here we go. Price on this box was $109.99, I think, which is a little high in my opinion still, but for 2012 cards, not the worst I've heard. Let's get going. We're off. Exactly like the other years of Prime. I photoshopped Randy Moss to start. Steve Johnson. Ray Lewis. And a redemption. Autograph rookie variation copper parallel of T.Y. Hilton. So T.Y. Hilton's a good player. I think he went over 1,000 yards in week 17 of this season, 2013 season. I don't know what the copper parallel, I think that's out of 99. Somebody can verify that for me, but that's not a bad first hit. And then the rookie is Coby Fleener, so not too bad. So I don't like to deal with the redemptions, but if I have to, I will. So we'll just keep going through these. Yeah, this is exactly like 2013. The design, I think, is the same too. Ray Rice and Tommy Streeter. He found his way into a lot of 2012 products. There's a Breeze. That's a cool looking card. Alex Smith. And a triple jersey. That's an interesting card. Pretty cool. Triple combo. Trent Richardson, Mark Ingram, and C.J. Spiller. Not sure why they picked those 3 players, but nonetheless, cool card. I like all 3 of those players, so it's out of 559. You can see that, but that's a nice second hit. So, and then Melvin Ingram, the rookie. And I'm pretty sure you get, I don't know if you'll stick, I said that. This one does too. I think you get a couple numbered rookies too, like a copper and a gold. Don't quote me on that. I haven't opened 2012 till now. That's cool. That's an Andrew Luck. Not sure. I think it's an insert. Doesn't say, but it's a cool luck card. That's cool. Kuechly bronze. I'll just call it bronze out of 350. 2-4. 24 tackles the other week against my Saints. That was a tough game to lose. Another Moss. And Kendall Wright. This one's got something in it. Jones Drew, Locker. And that is awesome. Wow. Quadruple relic. Alshon Jeffrey. That's got a ton of different swatches out of 25. It almost hit his jersey number too. We got 16. He's 17. That's awesome. I don't have a lot of Jeffrey cards, so that's exciting. And then Lamar Miller. So just take a look at that card. It's a very nice card. I'm gonna do a recap after I break all this. That's photoshopped terribly. Wow. Von Miller, Eli. There he is, Agnew. They did some type of mass production on him in 2012 cards. It's crazy how often he appears in packs. This has something in it. That's, wow. That's so cool. Ryan Tannehill. It's got 2 colors. It's a level 4. Autograph out of 15. That is 1 sharp card. And it's got 2 colors. Looks like it almost has a third. But a nice 2-color patch on that thing. What a card. So, that is nice. It's the thing about 2012 cards. The ceiling for players is so much higher. Brandon Marshall and some base. Jamal Charles Primetimers. Cool card. Mark Ingram. Or Jimmy Graham, sorry. Travis Benjamin. Last pack. Deshaun Jackson gold and another numbered card. Trent Richardson gold out of 250. Very impressed with this product and box. I don't know if I just had a good box, but to me that was just awesome. So let's do the recap real quick. Trent Richardson gold out of 250. Tannehill level 4 patch auto out of 15. Alshon Jeffrey quad relic to 25. Kuechly copper to 350. Triple relic Trent Richardson, Ingram, and Spiller to 559. And a redemption autograph copper, I think, to 99 of T.Y. Hilton. So thanks a lot, guys, and awesome product. Tune in for more breaks coming up soon.